What's up guys, Pura Vida, and welcome to Chepe Town, aka San Jose, the capital city of Costa Rica. Now I've been here for a few days. I wanted to make a video here, but I've been scratching my head on what I'm going to make the video of, because while San Jose is a great city for shopping, retail, commerce, business, museums, that's not the kind of content that I like to make. So I've been looking up activities to do, and it turns out there are some waterfalls and some mountains within the city itself. I just don't know how to get there on a bus. So what we're going to do, we're going to order an Uber, we're going to head out to these mountains and try and find this waterfall. Vamos! Our moto taxi took us out of the city centre into the suburbs, past the ubiquitous Golden Arches, onto the ring road that surrounds San Jose and into the district of Alajuelita. And here's where we started to gain some real altitude with the city far below us. Well, here we are way above the city. What a difference. And the sun's come out. They're probably not going to look very big on the camera, but these spiders are huge, scary. Ugh, gross. Danger. Bee attacks are common in this area. Yikes. Oh yeah, this is the Costa Rica we came to see. This is the hardest trail I've done for a while. It's practically vertical coming up here. We're on a nice flat trail now. Relatively easy. I think the hard part is over. I hope so. I don't think this sign needs translating. We made it, guys. Beautiful. Interestingly, this waterfall is called London Waterfall, Catarata Londres. Let's see what the water's like. Woo! Oh! It's cold! Woo! That's bloody freezing! Whoa, mysterious girl, wanna get close to you. Well folks, that's going to be about it for this video. Short and sweet. Hope you enjoyed it. There's going to be lots more coming from Costa Rica, so stay tuned. See you soon.